Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best electrolyte pills is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of peak performance and recovery. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who sweats a lot, maintaining proper electrolyte balance is crucial. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of electrolyte pills and capsules, exploring their benefits, and helping you choose the right ones to stay hydrated and energized. Number 5. SaltStick FastChews, Chewable Electrolyte Tablets, Orange. Introducing SaltStick FastChews, bite-sized electrolyte tablets. They are packed with essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium to keep you hydrated. These tablets dissolve quickly, faster than many sports drinks. Just chew it and feel the difference during your workout. Perfect for any sport where you sweat. Whether you're running, playing tennis, or any other intense activity, this will be your new favorite sports nutrition supplement. Simply chew the tablets to replace electrolytes lost through sweat. It's a low-calorie supplement that provides fast-acting electrolytes without any unnecessary additives. It contains sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. It's non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free, with no artificial colors or sweeteners. What we like. These chewable tablets dissolve quickly, providing almost instant electrolyte replenishment. It's super easy to use, just chew and go. If you're looking for a convenient and fast-acting electrolyte solution for your workouts, this is a great choice. What people say. I noticed a real difference in my energy levels and muscle cramp prevention. Somehow, I woke up today and was pleasantly surprised at how normal I felt after completing a long distance yesterday. I thought I would feel stiff and have terrible cramps, but nope, my body feels flexible and quite normal. Works great when running versus taking a sports drink and having a bunch of water sloshing around. Tastes good and easy to chew, even while running. Number 4. SaltStick Electrolyte Capsules with Vitamin D. Are you looking for a fast and effective way to replenish electrolytes during your workouts? These capsules are designed for rapid absorption, providing the essential electrolytes your body craves. It's a convenient way to stay energized without the hassle of mixing powders. This product utilizes a scientifically backed formula to help reduce heat stress and provide relief from leg cramps caused by dehydration. The ingredients are cleanly sourced and designed to be gentle on your stomach. It helps you stay focused on your performance. Whether you're running, cycling, hiking, or participating in any endurance sport, this product is your ideal companion. It's also great for weightlifting, camping, and festivals. It is designed to keep you hydrated and performing at your best. These capsules are made with non-GMO, vegetarian, gluten-free, and sugar-free ingredients. Each capsule contains a precise blend of sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, vitamin D3, and chloride. It is a healthy choice for your body. For optimal results, take one capsule with water every 30 to 60 minutes during physical activity. You can take up to 10 capsules a day. It's a simple and effective way to support your body during intense workouts. What we like. These capsules offer fast absorption, getting electrolytes into your system quickly. The formula is designed to minimize stomach discomfort. If you're looking for a no-fuss, fast-absorbing electrolyte supplement, especially during long endurance activities, you should consider this. What people say. Ever since I started using these, I've seen a clear improvement in my endurance, hydration balance, and overall well-being. What really set them apart is the clean, all-natural formula. Since I have been using SaltStick electrolyte capsules, my sodium level has been perfect. Number 3. Hi-Lyte Electrolyte Replacement Capsules. Are you looking for a way to quickly rehydrate? These capsules are designed for serious rehydration, whether you're an athlete or just feeling under the weather. They help you recover from dehydration. This advanced formula is scientifically balanced to help with heat stress and muscle cramping. It includes sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. It also has ingredients that may enhance how your body uses them. These capsules are perfect for on-the-go hydration. The bottle fits easily in your bag, so you can take it with you anywhere. It's also great for those on a keto diet. Take one capsule every 30 to 60 minutes during physical activity with water. Do not take more than 10 capsules a day. This bottle contains 100 servings of essential electrolytes. Use this to combat muscle cramps, nausea, and fatigue. It can also speed up your post-workout recovery. It's designed for athletes and those following a keto diet, helping you perform at your best. What we like. This product is designed for rapid rehydration, helping to combat muscle cramps and fatigue. It mirrors the electrolyte profile lost through sweat. If you're an endurance athlete or following a keto diet, this is a great option to support your hydration needs. What people say. I took 2 in the morning and felt totally different all day. I felt more energized, almost like I took my ADD medicine, but I didn't that day. The first day he took them he came home and he wasn't drained or worn out at all. He said he felt good all day and didn't have the common heat exhaustion symptoms that he normally would have. If you are prone to cramps, then I recommend you take 3 before you start, then 3 at the midpoint, especially if it is a very hot day and you are sweating continuously. Number 2. Keto Electrolyte Supplement, 120 capsules. This advanced electrolyte solution is packed with natural ingredients. It includes pink Himalayan salt, B vitamins, magnesium, zinc, and potassium. It's a powerful supplement for hydration and muscle recovery. It is made with high-quality ingredients. Unlike other salt tablets, this product uses pink Himalayan salt and premium magnesium malate. This helps your muscles hydrate properly. Many salt tablets use cheap ingredients. This product is different. It uses pink Himalayan salt and premium magnesium malate for muscle support. This product is keto-friendly and gluten-free. It's made in a GMP-compliant facility. The ingredients are third-party lab-tested to ensure quality. It's an effective substitute for a SaltStick. It provides trace minerals and is sugar-free. It is designed to help you stay hydrated. What we like. It is packed with natural-derived ingredients and supports muscle recovery. It uses high-quality magnesium for muscle support. If you like a keto-friendly option with added benefits for muscle recovery, this is a great choice for you. What people say. This week I took one of these supplements each morning when I started my flush and I haven't had a single headache or even a twinge of the beginning of one. In like 30 minutes I felt like every benefit of keto happened at once. My mood flipped. I was more awake and alert. I was motivated. I can say that my energy level is definitely up, my appetite has been curbed, and I've also lost 7 pounds using this product coupled with a modified keto diet. Number 1. VALI Electrolyte Salts Rapid Oral Rehydration. Are you looking for a fast and easy way to rehydrate? These electrolyte salts are designed to replenish essential minerals lost during exercise or low-carb diets. This product helps you recover quickly and stay energized. We created VALI to provide supplements with real results. The formula is transparent, using high-quality ingredients. It's third-party tested for purity, and we are committed to excellent customer service. Electrolytes are crucial for muscle function and energy. This product offers a convenient way to replenish salts on the go. There are no drinks, no packs, just easy-to-take capsules. These unflavored capsules are designed for active performance and endurance. They are zero carbs, sugar-free, and contain no artificial ingredients. It includes essential minerals like vitamin D3, calcium, and zinc. Prevent fatigue and maintain electrolyte balance with this product. Take it before and during activities to boost energy levels. It helps you work out harder in various conditions. These salt pills are perfect for adults of all ages. Use it for running recovery, hiking, or any activity that causes muscle soreness. It supports a healthier, naturally hydrated body and mind. What we like. These pills offer fast and easy hydration, perfect for on-the-go replenishment. The formula is transparent, with high-quality ingredients. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and transparent electrolyte solution for any activity, you should consider it. What people say. Easy to use, a good slow restoration option. My husband takes one before his 1-2 marathon days and it really helps him. I take his as well either before or after day of outdoor activities, it does not upset my tummy. Reliable go-to source for keeping my hydration balanced during hot months as well as super dry ones. Simple, easy, and it works. These capsules are a game changer for staying active and preventing dehydration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.